Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're gonna search a 2015 Ford Explorer. We're gonna go see what did the police leave behind, what did the criminals leave behind. But before we get started, I am waiting for the security man to show up. What's up, man? I like your new whip. About time you got here, man.
Yeah, whatever.
Need you to patrol over here. Ditching that car and getting into a real car right here.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
Damn! Did that mini nuke go off?
Right?
It flipped the ambulance. The nuke had to go off.
Yeah.
Flip that thing.
I made the mistake by storing the mini nuke in the trunk of the movie car.
Oh.
And it went off. Yeah. It's a stolen truck. What did you say it was?
Also known as a 10851 stolen vehicle. How did it end up here?
Loyalist criminals came and ditched it here.
Look at this guy.
Go get them loyalists! Anyways guys, we are going to be searching this 2014 Ford Explorer police SUV. We're gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out where it came from.
I don't know why.
Where it's going. And we're gonna try and find that biscuit. Support for this channel is brought to you by Raid Shadow Legends. Unless you've been living under a rock, then you know about this champion collecting epic RPG game with over 250 million downloads. That's insane, and there's a good reason for that. In terms of gameplay, this is the most deepest and complex game around. This game has amazing graphics. I love collecting the many champions from the portal. There are over 500 to collect and no two champions are the same. I love the endless ways you can build your team and the endless strategies to figure out. You can start a journey in the campaign, fight other players at the arena, you can fight bosses and collect artifacts. And within the last couple weeks, they added a load of new updates. First, they just added champion fragments, which let you collect pieces of champions that you can use to summon specific awesome champions with special events running all the time. There's also a new bazaar where you can load up on high value items with the gold bars that you win in Tag Arena, and they just extended the daily login rewards to up to 270 days. It's been a crazy month of updates, so there's never been a better time to start. You can find me in the game under the name Crown Rick Auto, and if you're fast enough, you can join my clan. Now go to the video description, click on my special link, and if you're a new player, you will get 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 3 ancient shards, plus 1 free champion, the Adjudicator. Whoa, that is one badass champion. All this treasure will be waiting for you right here. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the game. Looks like it used to be a DUI enforcement. As you can see, this is a parts car. Look at that. What the heck? But check it out, this Tina push bar still has the, I think those are Whelen Eon lights. Oh, yep, I was right. Maybe I can get those out here before the end of the video. Oh, and we have the other side there. I bet you they are red and blue.
But this push bar is toast, so there's no fixing this. He's gonna have to get another one if he wants to keep it.
And look at this, camouflaging. Whelen hideaway lights. Siren speaker lodged in there.
Some speaker thingy.
Siren speaker, yeah.
That's like some Amazon speaker.
Look at this engine. It's clean, dirty, but clean. Ooh, and look at that. Some more Whelen Eon lights. There's one right there, and then if you could see right there, there's the other one. But I'm gonna go ahead and start from the front and work my way to the back. All right, got my glove on. So, first thing that catches my eye is this MAGA hat. I think this is an official one too. All right, let's put that over there. Go ahead and take a quick look inside. Check it out. There's a Code 3 Z3. This is just the controller here. Oh, look at this thing. It's got a gun button and a gun symbol on the right. That's pretty freaking cool. And the brain to the Z3 Code 3 is right here. Looks like it may be bolted down or something. We got a Motorola speaker And then here goes this thing, DUI traffic vehicle only. So this one right here, the crash must have made this thing fly off. There goes the rest of this. And looks like some type of speaker went right here. And another, something was mounted right there. Ooh, looks like they're hiring DUI enforcement. Anybody looking to join the police? Well, and dispatchers make 80,000. Wow.
Why?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these because I kind of want to work here. So
Yeah.
appreciate that, man.
Yep. Oh, Peerless handcuffs. These are starting to show a little rust, but they work. Oh yeah. Whew, that can't be good. I could freaking taste the rust. All right, let's look on the roof. Nothing special up here.
It looked like it got hit from the driver's side, but then the passenger side hit something else. There's damage right there. So I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of hard to say what happened. The push bar is crushed, so I don't know what transpired, but he's gonna fix it up and end up driving it again somehow.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Oh, what is this? Looks like some sort of mounting thing for like the computer and who knows what. Maybe the guns or something. Hey, it's a shark. It's a fuzzy friend shark. It's so dusty. Yeah, we have a fire extinguisher. It looks like it's nice and full too. Bruh, where was this during the fire?
I know, right?
It's nice and full too. You should let me spray you with this thing for the video.
Go ahead. Not this shirt though.
You know what? How about this? If this video gets 5,000 likes, this guy's gonna let me spray him.
Go ahead.
We gotta go in the porta potty and then I'm gonna.
I gotta wear fucking glasses though, bro.
Yeah, I'll get you some safety gear. Hey, yeah, that'll be a good video.
I'm gonna breathe that shit. Why not?
Right? Hey, look, did you know that there's airbags on the side?
Yeah, there's airbags on the side, the seats, there's airbag every inch of that car, dude.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, sick. Yes. Oh, yes. You see that? This is a baton. Somebody over-oiled their baton. Let me go test this out real quick. Come at me now, criminal. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go. You always see videos of cops struggling to break the window with this thing. Oh, it's real. Will it break? Hey, look, a flasher. Man, these cars have hell of a speakers, man. Let's look at that. MaxRad antenna. Looks magnetic. Nope, it's not. Oh, it is. Looks like this thing's not metal. Oops. Please be a biscuit. Oh, one time I found money in one of these things. It was like 80 bucks. I went and had a freaking great dinner. But not this time, not this time.
I don't know why.
A little mini rim.
Hey, give me my spare tire.
Well, we should put all 4 of these on there.
That looks so funny.
Yeah. Okay, here's the connections to the Z3. Heck yeah. Yep, there goes the code 3 brackets. There goes the back ones. We'll take these off carefully. And here's the other one. What are these bags I keep finding everywhere? They have like cushiony stuff inside. Oh, I thought I found me some handcuffs. Oh yeah. Here's the rest of the Z3 connections. Sweet mother. Spit mask. Transport hood.
It looks used.
Well, you should put this on, then I can spray you.
No, I might catch Kobe with that and AIDS and all that.
I'm gonna keep this. Look at this. Age 21 and older, officer statement. Hemorrhage sponges. Do you have any hemorrhages?
What the hell is that?
I'm trying to find some goodies. All-wheel drive. Please be a weapon. Damn it. Let's take a look at this one.
Something pushed the radiator in like.
You see what this is?
Oh, one of those.
Those little slide out tray things.
Definitely, exactly what that is.
And then there goes the window bar.
Gotta put those in your Vic.
No, those won't fit.
I don't know why.
The headlights. Yeah, it's got the lights in it.
No. I don't know why. A face mask.
Bulletproof resistant.
COVID-19.
Oh, I thought it was a bulletproof shield. Look at that size of that boat.
Could you drive it?
You know what?
I couldn't.
I can drive anything, so
I couldn't.
I could do it.
That thing's too big. Trying to dock that thing, bro.
What do you guys think? Should I search
I
it?
couldn't dock it. Yes.
Oh look, this one has a hitch. It's probably to carry their little DUI Central Command Center.
Or this.
Or this boat.
Dude, so like, what are you gonna do? This place is like messed up now.
Yeah, well, I'm saving up right now to actually buy a land because renting, yeah, it's just ridiculous. It's almost the same thing. They want like $5,700 for first month, last month security, yeah, all that. So I'm like, I could just use this for a down payment to actually buy a place, and they can't tell me what to do. I had this other spot that was like, no, I don't want you playing any sirens. I don't want any police cars in my yard. I'm like, dude, that's none of your business. Yeah, so anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. So in the meantime,
don't worry, you still got the biggest project here. So
exactly.
It's that movie car though. I love that damn
Oh my
sound.
goodness,
You
man.
Watch that video.
Oh.
Right. Subscribe to this Mr. 392.
Subscribe to this guy right here. He's my second-hand man right now. My security man.
Like always.
He's making sure I stay safe around here
Of
because
course.
it's crazy out here, guys. It's like a jungle.
Definitely that.
Yeah. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under.